Hello mga sisi, this is Rhea. Magandang hapon sa inyo. I just want to share my face before and this is my face now. So do you want to know my secret? Gusto nyo bang kuminis at mawala ang mga pimples nyo in just a month? Then this video is for you by just keep on watching. I'm using this brilliant sunscreen gel cream on my face for almost 5 years and more. Grabe, after 1 month, kitang-kita mo na agad yung changes sa mukha mo. Every morning and night, I wash my face with Dove soap and putting ice on my face for about 15 minutes. Then, I will massage it in a circular motion. After that, I dried it out and this is how I apply Brilliant Sunscreen Gel Cream on my face. After applying Brilliant Sunscreen Gel Cream, I stay this for about 30 minutes on my face to fully absorb it. Then, saka ako mag-a-apply ng powder. I badly need this sunscreen so much and it really helps me a lot, no joke, because it boosts my confidence more not just physically but also to your responsibility for maintaining this as your lifestyle habit. And by the way, always remember mga sisi, consistency is the key. It doesn't mean na if it works for me, it will also works for you as well. Hiyangan lang to mga sis, pero sabi nga ng nakararami, diba, hindi naman masamang mag-try. Malay mo, isa ka na rin sa mga kagaya kong hiyang dito, diba? And that's it, di ka nalugi dito. You get what you paid for mga sisi, so what are you waiting for? Get yours now, babush! Before I forgot mga sisi, you can check the price on my yellow basket below.